Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Begin by inspecting the wheel closely to determine scratches versus deep gouges and aluminum deformation. Photograph the rim for reference and to compare results. Clean the wheel with rubbing alcohol and let it dry completely to remove brake dust and oils. Gather tools: 400, 800, 1500, and 2000 grit sandpaper, masking tape, body filler or metal putty, primer, color-matched paint, clear coat, a sanding block, and microfibers. Allow 1 to 2 hours for a single wheel repair, longer for multiple wheels. Start sanding the damaged area with 400 grit to remove loose metal and rough paint, then feather the edge into the surrounding finish for a smooth transition. For deep gouges, use a 2-part aluminum body filler. Mix per instructions, apply, let cure for the specified time, and sand smooth using 800 then 1500 grit to achieve a uniform surface. Mask the tire and valve stem, apply primer in 2 light passes, follow with 2 light coats of color-match spray paint, then 3 thin coats of clear coat. After the clear coat cures for the recommended time, wet sand with 2000 grit to remove orange peel, then buff with rubbing compound, and finish polish to restore gloss and blend repairs. Inspect wheel balance and torque lug nuts to manufacturer spec after reinstalling. Check for vibration on a short test drive. Expect 0 to 0 for DIY supplies, while professional repair typically costs 0 to 00 per wheel. Avoid pressure car washes and maintain 30 to 35 SI tire pressure to reduce future curb strikes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.